Ogbono soup on a request, so let's do that. Over here are my cooked proteins, so let's get started. Add palm oil in your pot and allow it to heat up. Now add blended peppers and onions. Stir. The peppers has fried a little bit. Now I'm going to add my ogbono. Stir. I'm going to add some crayfish. Add my ogiri. Stir. Add my proteins. Stir. Now add enough water for your soup. Now cover and allow it to cook. Now check the consistency and adjust if needed. I'm going to add my grilled mackerel fish. I'm going to add 1 seasoning cube. Stir. And allow it to cook for 3 minutes before adding vegetable. My spinach. I'm going to add my spinach. And more crayfish. Stir. I'm going to cover and allow it to cook for 2 minutes and it's done. 2 minutes later, it's done. Ogbono soup. Now we are done cooking. This soup is everything delicious.